Say trick or treat. Ooh, look. Summer, you can't go in.
Hi.
Hi. Let's get you. Say thank you.
Hi.
Say happy Halloween. Thank you. That man. Summer, you can't go in there. Come on. Summer, come on. You guys, she legit just ran in a house. Good morning, you guys. So today we are going to Summer's Nikki reunion. Every year they have like this little reunion during Halloween, and all the little babies come out in little costumes. And as you guys can see, your girl is dressed up. Yes, I am that festive mother, and I'm going to match my child. So as you guys can see, well, you guys can't see my full body. I'm not going to show you guys just yet, but you probably can get an idea what I am. I don't know, but you'll see later. So we are getting ready, finishing up here, and then we're gonna head on out. Also, I don't know if we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch today. We may go, I'm not sure. However, I do want to show you guys our little adventure at the pumpkin patch as well, because it'll be Summer's first year attending that. And this is also, I think this is her second year attending the Nikki reunion. And I think that's like so cool how they have all the little babies come back together. And it's not just little babies, you guys, it's like big kids that come back. So I think, you know, that's a really great idea for them to have this event every year for all the Nikki babies to come back and reunite and, you know, mingle with parents and just get to know people. So the little one just walked up. So I'm just gonna show you guys her costume. Yay! You're a bumblebee, mommy. Who you kissing? So she's a bumblebee, and as you guys can see, I got flowers all over my head, but you're gonna see my costume later. So thank you, boo-boo. I'm gonna finish up. We're kind of running a little behind, but I'm gonna finish up so we can get up out of here and you guys can see. So see you in a bit. Okay, you guys, so we finally made it, and y'all saw Summer's little antennas for her costume. Yeah, broke it off. And look at your hair. Goodness gracious, maybe she should have been Chucky probably. Lord, I don't know what I'm gonna do with her. But we are walking down to see the parade. It just started, I believe. I don't know, but thank you. So we're heading down, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy this little parade, this little outing. I'm hoping I can see some of her old nurses. That's what I really look forward to, because you know, she's about to be 2, so it's been a while, obviously. So I will be looking forward to that. So apparently, I think we missed the parade. I don't know, because the thing said it started at 11. The parade, we got here at 11. But I asked the guy, I said, did the parade already happened? He said, yeah. I'm like, what? it. So it's okay, we can still look nice. I guess we can walk to the hospital and you guys can see where Summer was born. So they have a popcorn machine, cupcakes. There she is. Thank you. Balloons, mommy. Okay, we got a future soccer player on our hands. Oh no. You want to do it? Sure. Summer, you want to do your fingerprint? Yeah. Fingerprint. Okay. Yeah, mommy. Okay. What color? Come on, darling. So cute. Thank you. Hey. Summer! You are a busy bee! Hi! She wants your Do you want some of that candy? Yes, you do. That hurts you. Look at these spinners. Did you want some of that candy? Ooh, look at the candy. Get some of that candy. Oh, don't set the whole thing. Good job, mommy. You want to put your candies in here? You want to put your candies in there? Yay! Here, put your candy in there. Summer. She can literally have the whole tray. Oh. Like she's not gonna eat it. Are you sure? Let's go. Say trick or treat. Say trick or treat. Yay! You got a lot of candy. Yay! Okay. She's adorable. Thank you so much. Oh. Say thank you. Hi. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah. Show mommy your eye. Okay, you guys, so the event is actually over. Just a little recap. We missed the parade. I'm so like devastated because I really thought we made it on time because the little invitation said that it started at 11 and we got here at 11, but apparently they did it beforehand, so we missed it. But there's always next year, so I'm gonna make sure I'm prompt, I'm on time, I'm early. So when you're early, you are on time. So that's next year. But overall, Summer had a good time. She has a bunch of candy. I don't even know where I'm gonna put. I'm probably just gonna have to give it away because I don't even eat candy like that. I do, but I don't, and she definitely is not about to consume all of that candy because no, we ain't got time for cavities, and that's just poor eating habits. So we're not gonna even start that. But she can have some candy, but just not a whole lot of candy. You guys will see me soon. Okay, you guys, so it is Halloween and I do apologize. Yeah, I know I said that we were gonna go to the pumpkin patch and everything, but obviously that didn't end up happening only because you know what, the weather was really cold here in Texas for some odd reason, because it doesn't get cold here until like December time frame, but for some odd reason it want to get down to the 40s and it want to rain. So I was not about to take my baby out to the pumpkin patch, only because I did not want her getting sick, and I honestly didn't want to be in that weather, so it didn't happen. But we are actually on our way to meet up with my sister, my niece and nephew, to go trick-or-treating, so at least we have that to look forward to. So it is actually, what time is it? Like 6:42. I think they have certain hours, I believe. I'm not sure. Please forgive me for not like looking at y'all. I'm trying to drive and record. I know, safety hazard, but everybody do it. So anywho, yeah, I think it's certain times here where you can go trick-or-treating and it stops at a certain time. I don't know, but I'm just trying to get it done early and get her back in the house. Summer hasn't had a nap today. We've been running all day, so I'm surprised she's not crying and cranky right now, but hey. But she's also in her costume, so she's probably like, what the heck is this? What am I doing in this? So I don't know if yeah, you guys can see her. So she's Minnie Mouse. I don't know what she's doing back there. But yeah, she's Minnie Mouse, and I took her little ears off for a second because I already knew they were gonna end up on the floor anyway. So I'm like, might as well just take it off, let her be a little comfortable. So yeah, I'm definitely going to catch up with you guys in a bit, so stay tuned. Y'all, literally, she fell asleep. So I'm gonna have to wake her up because I ain't come out here for nothing, and I'm not a bad parent, but she's gonna enjoy this. So here goes nothing.
Yeah.
You got it? Did she get some candy already? Oh, let me put some. I'll get some for her. Okay.
Bye-bye. It's just a boot. I was gonna put a flashlight so we could see the candy. Does that make sense? Come here, I'll show you.
She's like all fascinated.
Is that cool?
She said, shoo!
Shoo!
Yeah!
Shoo!
How
are you? Thank
you. You ready to get some more candy? Say trick or treat!
Trick or treat!
Say thank you! Say thank you, mommy! See? Say trick or treat! Ooh, look! Summer, you can't go in.
Hi.
Let's get two. Say thank you! Say happy Halloween! Thank you! Come on, boo boo! Oh, thank you so much. Get your candy!
Here you go.
Come on, let's get your candy, mommy!
Look, happy Halloween, guys.
Say happy Halloween! Thank you! Come on, mommy!
I was Batman. I took off my stuff.
You were Batman. Summer, you can't go in there. Come on. Come on. Summer, come on. Bye. Come on, Summer. Yo. You guys, she legit just ran in a house. I guess it's okay, babies can do that, but that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Wait, let's go this way. Oh my gosh, this is like a task. Oh, was this a bad idea? Okay. Are you throwing a temper tantrum? It's not real, mommy. It's okay. It's not real. Trick or treat. Come on, mommy.
Happy Halloween. Are you Minnie Mouse?
She's looking at the little dogs, just like, ah. Thank you. Ooh, mama. Look. Ooh.
This is Larry, our ghost.
She's like, no. Thank you.
Okay, sweetie, everybody. There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy Halloween.
Say happy Halloween.
Okay, she's like, that's
Have a good night. Thank you. All right, come on.
You want M&M?
You gotta put it in your basket, in your bucket.
Put it in the purple one.
Look.
Oh, no. Oh. Yeah, grab one. Oh, you can grab one.
Okay. I get this one too.
Okay.
We are struggling, but your girl is definitely momming it. And I'm out here with baby girl, and we're doing it. Whether if I gotta gain some muscle, lose a couple pounds, because I gotta carry her, whew, I'm gonna do it to make sure my baby is happy.
Pardon me, sorry.
Your dog is so cute. Oh, hi, buddy. Happy Halloween, buddy. Yeah. Hey.
She's like, no. You guys take a toddler trick-or-treating? This small? Bring a stroller. I'm not kidding. Bring a stroller. Thank you. Say thank you. Yeah. Oh, she said balloon. You like the balloon? Come on, boo-boo. Come on. Look at this decor. So nice. Overall, this night was a challenge, but we came, we saw, and we conquered. And now we're heading home. It is 8:30. We kind of stopped around, I want to say a little before 8 or at 8. I want to say about 8 we stopped. I'm going to show you guys Summer's bucket. It is extremely full. And I know she's not going to eat all that candy, so I'm definitely going to have to help her. Grandma's going to have to help. Grandma has a sweet tooth, so Grandma's going to have to help. And uncle, both her uncles actually have sweet tooth. So yeah, we all just go in a little dip in the bucket and eat some candy. But yes, overall this was a great experience. And I'm very happy that it's over. I'm ready to go home and shower and bathe her and get ready for bed, because Lord, I've been running all day literally, and I'm just glad to say it's over. Hey you guys, so we are home finally, and I just want to show y'all. First of all, look at this child. She is knocked out. So this is her bucket. So she has a bucket full, but like I said, that she's not gonna eat all this candy by herself. So obviously, I'm sorry y'all, my sister called, my mom, speakerphone, just messing everything up. But anywho, she has a whole bucket of candy. She's not going to eat it all by herself. So obviously I'm going to have to help. Grandma's going to have to help. Uncle's going to have to help. Just everybody's going to have to dip their hand in. Also guys, disclosure, please, 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 please. Well, by the time I put this video out, it's going to be later. But make sure you guys check your kids' candy, because there's crazy people out there. I read an article about someone putting meth in candy, which was just freaking sick. But anywho, make sure you're checking all of your children's candy. Open it, examine it, make sure it hasn't been pre-opened. Look around in the candy, make sure it's no razors, no needles, no type of unknown objects in it. You know, we definitely need to pay attention to what our kids are eating and what they're doing, especially because again, people are crazy, and you know, we got to protect our children. Thank you for going on this journey with her first time trick-or-treating. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Also, hit that notification bell if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.